Whenever I think of this VP, our speaker, next speaker, it reminds me of a small few lines on a kind of an inspirational words, I would say. Generally, you say that water turns into a steam with a difference of only 1 degree in temperature. And steam can move some of the biggest engines in the world. This is what we have seen in our speaker, that 1 degree change came in after coming to BITPTC. He became a steam which can carry the whole BITP on his shoulders to the whole world of social media with his PR skills, everything. It is an amazing thing happened with a 1 degree of change in his skills, which is that we all feel proud about him, about the BITPTC for having such a wonderful speaker with us. And please put your hands together, welcoming Toastmaster Mohammad Viqaruddin. Toastmaster Mohammad Viqaruddin, you are on mute.
Sorry. We cannot negotiate with people who says, mine is mine, what's yours is negotiable. Thank you so much for my nice introduction. It is enthusiasming me to speak more. Thank you, Toastmaster of the day. Mr. President, distinguished Toastmasters, fellow Toastmasters, and our special guest. Good evening to one and all. The American President, John F. Kennedy, said these words 6 decades away, about July 1961. We are in another July, same words, but still his statement is true about negotiation. If you are personal and professional life, you will get a situation where you need to negotiate with best possible outcome. To find out the solution, you go to the doctor. Doctors will give you a medicine for resolving a problems. My speech for today to give you an idea about find the best medicine for resolving a problematic situation that you commonly encounter in your personal and professional life. Please give me your ear of attention till the end of my short speech, which help me explain you how I can negotiate or you negotiate a possible outcome. Negotiate, I believe, is the best medicine for harmonious conclusion. Let me explain the types of negotiation and the best possible outcome can lead to a harmonious conclusion. As you know, negotiation is a type of formal discussion with the goal of reaching an agreement between two and more parties. When you have a health issue, you may discuss with a doctor. Doctor give you the prescription that will give you a good medicine which can be a harmonious conclusion for your problems. Successful negotiation will begin with preparation. Be sure you have a clear position and whatever is required, your personal, professional, or financial. Let me tell you the types of outcome can be result of a negotiation. There are 4. The first one is win-win. The second one is win-lose. The third one is compromise. And the fourth one is when to walk away. These are the outcome when you do the negotiation. The first one win, both sides are winner. The second one will lose, one will win with other expenses. Compromise, between both parties have been compromised to do their business. When to walk away, when you have not to have an agreement, know the point, and you lead the negotiation. There are several types of negotiation styles which I learned from Toastmasters. There are also 4 types of negotiations which there. Number 1 is competitive. Number 2, accommodation. Number 3 is compromise. Number 4 is a collaborative. Normally in your life, you use this kind of negotiation styles in you, but you not identify. Without telling me about my personal experience, which having already I use, but when I was doing this project, I identify, I solve this problem for a biggest negotiation. I was a captain of the cricket team. I decided to have a discussion among the team. What they are doing, they were taking their own opinion, or they are fighting each other. I jump in. I told them, have your opinion, have your discussion with your specialization. Then I want to win a tournament. Then I told them, okay, give your some kind of a negotiation which can lead our team to go forward. Similar way, there are fighting each other. So each and every person, they have shown their specialization. I jump in as a captain. I told them not to take your own decision. I am the captain. I will take the decision. So I identify this kind of negotiation they call as competitive, which is in my life. I don't have enough time to explain you more on negotiation types. Maybe in future, I make you to deal more about this one. So let me conclude the speech with a quote from Carrie Fisher that says, everything is negotiable, whether or not. Negotiation is nothing. Back to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vicaruddin, for such a wonderful knowledge transfer on the negotiation skill. And we would like to hear from you in the next speech on the negotiation skills at home. How can we do a win-win at home? So please come up with some tips in your next speech. We will be